Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise. A garden is the best place in the house, according to me, as it is the only place where a person can get relief from a busy life. However, having a garden in the house welcomes many health benefits. For instance, a garden has many plants that give oxygen. Furthermore, the smell of the flowers can refresh person's mind in the morning. However, in this era, people are not able to build a garden because of the lack of space, and also something that it is a waste of space, so the garden are no more present in the house. On the other hand, garden is in the houses are necessary in order to lead a peaceful life. A garden plays a major role. My garden contains different type of plants. For instance, it has different flowers such as roses, sunflower, lilies, disease, and so on. These flowers are the easiest to grow and flourish the environment with their beautiful smiles. However, the colors of these flowers make a garden look beautiful. Furthermore, my garden has different vegetables growing in them. For example, vegetables like tomato, carrot, sweet potato, cauliflower, bell pepper, etc. These are the easiest to grow. Apart from this, they have various health benefits. Furthermore, this ensures that the vegetables are fresh and free from any chemical. The garden has grass all over the area. As a result, this makes it the best place for any exercise. Furthermore, it has a soft ground where children can play different sports. This ensures that